Okay.
Hi! So we are from Group 2, Class S31.
Through this video, we want to demonstrate a new way of self-learning and educating new generation in hope of increasing awareness of biodiversity in Malaysia.
As we all know, biodiversity or the variety of all living things in our planet has been declining in alarming rate in recent years, mainly due to human activities such as land use changes, pollution, and climate change.
For this video, we had to choose one example of ex situ conservation.
I would like to talk about the definition of biodiversity. What is meant by biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the term biological diversity that refers to the variety of life on Earth at all its levels, from genes to ecosystem that can encompass ecological, evolutionary, and cultural process that sustain life. Biodiversity includes not only species that we consider rare, endangered, or threatened, but also every living things from humans to organisms we know little about, such as fungi, microbes, and invertebrates.
So in general, ex situ conservation is a process of protecting an endangered animal, variety of breed of plants from its biological habitat.
It is also a technique of conservation of biological diversity outside its natural habitats, targeting all levels of biodiversity such as genetic, species, and ecosystem. It is like removing part of the population from a threatened habitat and placing it in a new location, which may be a wild area or within the care of humans. Broadly, ex situ conservation includes a variety of activities, from managing captive population, education, and raising awareness, or supporting research initiatives. Some examples of ex situ conservation are zoological parks, botanical gardens, gene banks, and cryopreservation.
The main objective of ex situ technique is to support conservation by ensuring the survival of certain species and the maintenance of associated genetic diversity. Ex situ technique should always be seen as complementary to in situ conservation, aiding species recovery and reintroduction.
We choose Saya Botanical Garden as our destination today. Saya Botanical Garden, which covers an area of 93 hectares, is one of the largest botanical gardens in Malaysia. The mother of all gardens, Botanical Garden comes with floral attraction gifts that brings together more than 750 species of plants that originally from 13 different continents. It is located at Lembah Perdana Barat, Precinct 1, 62000 Putrajaya, Wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya.
In this video, we choose conservatory plants to be shown to the audience.
So hi, this is Espinidis and it's from Espinaceae family. So as you can see the structure of this plant is called bird nest fern in English, also known as daun semoy in Malay. So this plant is native from tropical Asia, Australia, and tropical Africa.
Okay, this is Caladium bicala plant. It is come from Erecta family and also known as Amphilis Caladium in English. It is a species from genus Caladium that is from Latin America.
Next, this plant is from family Begoniaceae It is a species of Begonia sharpa. It is also called as asam batu in Malay and originally from Brazil.
So this is one of the plants that we found here in Taman Botani Putrajaya. The scientific name of this plant is Begonia podotinum from the family of Araceae. The English name of this plant is bushwood plant, and in Malay we commonly say it as pokok tapa angsa.
These are some other examples of conservatory plants in Putrajaya Botanical Garden.
You guys know what are the importance of ex situ conservation? So one of the importance is monitoring the health of certain organism would be easier. Ex situ conservation efforts are mostly viable for small populations. This makes it easy for monitoring the health of the organisms. If any disease or sickness appears among the plant species, they can be quickly addressed. This is an advantage for plants living in ex situ conservation environment.
Another important of ex situ conservation is it can improve the selective breeding program by improving the species quality. This method of breeding allows plant intervention in the reproduction process of an organism. Reproductive material may be acquired through gene banks. This may then be used to artificially inseminate and plant species.
Besides, ex situ conservation help to save the plant from the event of natural disaster. Natural disasters can easily wipe out important organisms in affected regions. Ex situ conservation areas are better prepared to handle natural disasters and are able to easily launch rescue operations.
Other than that, endangered plants can be bred to increase their population, and finally, researchers can understand more about the plant species. Endangered plants are those that exist in a very small population around the world. When organisms are threatened of extinction, it is ideal to keep them in protected spaces. So, ex situ conservation is ideal for such plants who are on the brink of extinction. Ex situ conservation systems are helpful in providing researchers the ability to closely study the plant species. This may be relatively difficult in other environments where the plants roam freely.
In conclusion, biodiversity plays a great role in human existence and in healthy function of natural system. There are lots of ways to conserve our biodiversity. One of the examples is ex situ conservation.
Ex situ conservation is still practiced today and is encouraged because it enhances other methods like zoos, captive breeding, aquariums, botanical garden, and gene banks. Thus, people should work hand in hand to ensure ex situ conservation successfully done and can save the biodiversity.
That's all from us.
Thanks for watching. Bye.